oats are ready. Let's go ahead and assemble everything, and then I will share with you guys how I go ahead and share everything with you guys. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and assemble our oats. I've got my fancy little bowl right here. Let me go ahead and change the camera angle, and then we can get started. Hey, got my bowl of oats right here. 1 scoop of this protein powder. It's from Vitacost, vitacost.com. It's just a chocolate flavor protein powder. 1 scoop of this, I think, is like 200 calories and 20 grams of protein. So I'm gonna add 1 scoop to my oats. This is what we're working with so far. But guys, this is not chocolatey enough for me. If you watch any of my other videos, you'll know that I'm a very dark chocolate kind of girl. Like when I have chocolate, I like for it to be bittersweet. So to give it more of like a dark, intense like flavor, I'm going to throw in a little bit of this special dark Hershey's cocoa in there. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit in there. Add some sweetness to this little baby. Even though the protein powder has a little bit of sweetness in it, it's not enough. So I'm gonna take this Splenda stevia. Just a little honey. This is the Clover Valley, not Clover Valley, girl. I'm thinking about Dollar General. This is the Great Value honey. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of ground cinnamon in there. This thing's almost empty. I have another one in there. It's just, I wanna use this up. All right, mix this beautiful thing all together and I will show you guys our end result. So I've got my oats all assembled. It's like the perfect, it looks like a melted candy bar, guys. It is so good, like yum. Oats have so much fiber in them. I use the almond milk, and I always use unsweetened almond milk in my oats just because I don't like all that extra sugar that's in almond milk. I put a little bit of stevia in there, or you can use Splenda or whatever sweetener you like to use. So I put that in there, and guys, these are the perfect breakfast oats. Like, these are my go-to breakfast oats. If you have not tried them, you need to. Alrighty, so breakfast time is over. Now it's time for me to go ahead, clean up the dishes, get some cleaning and everything done. And yeah, so let's go ahead, clean the dishes, and then I'll see what I get into after I'm done with that. The trash outside, and I don't want to go outside. I want to stay indoors. Does anybody else get like that? Like, I legit don't want to move. For those who are curious, I got my hair, I rebraided my hair. I don't feel like a boy anymore. That's why I'm a little bit more comfortable getting on camera today. So yeah. But let me go ahead and take the trash outside, y'all. Taking the trash out. My neighbor's dog is out here, y'all. It's gonna bark at me. Here we go. Man, trash juice. What did I tell you? He's nuts. That dog is nuts. Every time I try to play with him and he's like, he'll run off. I'm gonna show y'all. Hey, buddy. Come on, come play with me. Come in. Come in. Okay then. Told y'all. Listen, look. This dog is following me, y'all. Look. Do you want to play or you don't? He don't want to play. And my dog was getting jealous. Go ahead and head back inside, ladies and gents. Inside, took the trash out. So I've washed dishes, taken out the trash. Probably gonna do a little bit of vacuuming and I'll see what my day looks like after that. For those who didn't know, I actually have 2 dogs. So if you watch my videos, you know that I have one dog. Her name's Tara, a Chihuahua that's always in the other rooms with me. But the second dog here is a dog we've had since, how long have we had you, Pig? Since like 2014. Piggy since 2014, and she is an old girl right now. She's an old baby. Let me show you guys her. Say hi to the vlog. Pig, you want to say hi to the people on the vlog? You want to say hey to the people on the vlog? Say hey, people. Say hey, YouTube people. So you got to back away from the camera. You too close. You're too close. Say hey, YouTube. Say hi, people. Just got done with Pig's pads. Pig is like the funniest dog ever. She's so lazy. She's a little couch potato. The pads that I buy here are the ones from Target. They're the Up and Up brand. You can get like a pack of 50, I think, from Target for like $18, $19. They're super duper easy to use. Very, very convenient. I'll hear her breathing. She does this all the time. Gosh, y'all, it's so hot in here. I'm turning the AC on right now. 77, we're gonna do 76 because it's hot in here. So I have no plans to really go anywhere today. I'm just chilling out. I wish I had more to vlog about. I feel like I never have anything. I'm looking outside because there's like this strange person walking. Oh, I think they're walking to lose weight. How cool, how cool. Walking for health. They're walking for health. I'm so proud of them. I never have anything to really talk about in my vlogs, but Tara's having a fit. Man out there, baby. It's a strange man out there, huh? Tara. You see that man out there? He's not welcome here, is he? She gets like this every time somebody comes up. I don't know if y'all saw, but as I was putting her toys into her little basket, she would go right back to the basket and pull the toys back out. So by the time, I'm gonna say probably around tonight, she'll have all of those toys right back on the floor, scattered everywhere. The life of a pet mom. All right, guys, I will catch up with y'all in the next part of the vlog. So I'm in my bathroom right now, and I told you guys that I just put braids in my hair probably about 2 or 3 days ago. My scalp's been a little bit itchy. I'm gonna put some of this Miel Organics rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. It's infused with biotin, so it's supposed to help your hair grow or something. In between my braids, I don't want to take my bun down. It isn't like super duper itchy, it's just a little itchy, so I'm gonna put a little bit of this on. I actually found this from watching Stella Williams on YouTube. She's the plus size YouTuber. Anyway, she got VSG surgery, and she was talking about, like, you know, her struggles and different changes and everything that were happening as she was losing weight. And she talked about how she lost a lot of hair, and she started putting this in her hair and in her edges to get her hair to grow back. So I'm going to put a little bit of this in my hair, and then we're gonna see what happens. Guys, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and end my vlog off here. I hope that you all enjoyed watching my video today. I really do like making vlogs, but sometimes I just feel like my vlogs can get pretty repetitive because I'm just boring. My life is about as exciting as a loaf of bread, and I'm not even trying to be funny. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed my vlog. I will see you guys in the next one, and I love you so much. Bye.